Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how the Skintex mod works. What I mean by work is that you'll be able to draw on your character. It's tough to say out loud like this, but you'll be able to draw, for instance, tattoos, eyeshadow, or I don't know, pretty much anything you want. You can go from changing the eyes to changing the skin, a lot of stuff. This mod is really large itself. You can do a lot of things with it, but you need to know how it works. So let's get going. Over here I've got a character. If you know who she is, good job. It's Marceline the Vampire Queen from Adventure Time. So yeah, what I want to do right now is that, well, this character is usually, well, it's a mix of cool and scary. So what I want to do is give some sort of purplish, what can I call it? Gothic? I don't know. Some sort of hue. Some purple colors come from the top of her head, making sure she looks a bit more scary. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let us get going. You're gonna need a image editing software such as Photoshop, or I don't think Paint's gonna do it, but whatever works for you to edit your pictures. Let's get into it. First off, we're gonna have to press J. J? Well, you'll figure it out. This little pink crystal is gonna come up. Touch it. Go to Output Current Skin. Press it, and it's gonna output your character's skin color, glossiness, shininess, all the good stuff, because you'll be needing the base skin texture of your character to draw on it. Once you outputted your skin, go into the plugins folder and try to find Skintex Mod. In here you will go into your output and find your character's face, in my case. So drag and drop, or whatever, do what you want. Open it into your editing software. Now, first thing you might find very bad is whatever the hell this is. This is not what you think. This is the inside of your character's mouth. I know it's hard to edit something with this thing over her head, but we're gonna have to do with it. So, I did not plan this part of the tutorial yet, so let me just do something very quickly here. That's gonna look like some sort of hue on top. Yup, that is too intense. Let me just lower the opacity. Alright, now she's got this purple-ish hue over her head. I'm gonna put it under the eyes too so you guys can see better. And around her face. That'll do the trick, I'm pretty sure. Nope. Alright, this is fine. So what you need to do is save your texture as PNG. Well, you can choose whatever you want to export. I'm gonna call it Marceline underscore hue. Whatever. So once you have your face or whatever you're editing saved, go back into your output folder and go back into your, go into your textures folder. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna save it directly into the textures folder. Again, I'm gonna have to do another save. Marceline hue. There you go. Now it should be here. So, next off, create a folder for your skin text. I'm just gonna call it Marceline. Put your face texture in there. Alright, to connect your skin texture to your character, you need to go through this config.ini. Double click it, open it in your notepad, and, well, anyway you can open it. You just need to be able to tweak these settings. So what we're doing here is a face texture. This is pretty simple to understand since they're all just named over here. So what you need to do is to specify the extension or your type of your picture over here and type in exactly the name of your picture. Control C. I'll just paste this over here. Be sure to write the entire name, including the extension of your file. Do save. Wait, I'm just gonna remove this since I don't really need it because this is not a body texture. Save it, and there you go. Easy as that. Wait. Yes, it is easy. Okay. Go back into your studio. Whoops. This happens all the time. And you'll see a new little square over here called Marceline. And if everything goes well, there you go. It looks pretty bad, but bear with me here. It's something I did like at the last minute. Let me just go in and change the opacity. I cannot do a half-assed job, I'm sorry. The opacity was just way too intense on that one. And yeah, you can just change it like that, no problem. Just need to keep the same name as you used to have. And it should be okay. Now go in here and reload it. There we go. This looks slightly better considering it's made in like 5 seconds. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Also, I forgot to mention, over here we read these all the time, and it can be long after a while of reading like 2 dozens of these. So, what you can do is make yourself a preview of what your mod looks like. What I mean by that is, let's drag this down. I can have a preview of what the mod is gonna look like. Let's press print screen. Take a nice screenshot. I'm gonna take this away, print screen. Now go back into your photo editor or whatever you call it. Create a square file. And save it as the preview you want it to be. And call it preview. And just like that, you've got a nice preview for your mod. And it is super easy to do if you ask me. So, yeah. I hope this helped. If you have any questions concerning anything, well, mostly the mod, but any questions I'm always happy to answer. And yeah, if you like this video, please leave a subscribe or even a like. That would be greatly appreciated. Peace.